Hello everyone, and welcome back to the ArgoViz tutorial series. In this video, we will explore the profile selection capabilities of ArgoViz and how it is used to select regions of interest. The ability to draw an arbitrary polygon and get data within that shape is one of ArgoViz's signature qualities. After watching this video, you will be lassoing profiles by region, depth, and date. We will see just how useful this selection tool can be when we discover a possible error in a profile measurement. Let's get started. We begin by clearing the map and zooming in into the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Japan. Located in the upper left corner of the map is a button that lets us draw spherical polygons. These are polygons that use great circle lengths as edges. Upon completion, a shape pop-up window is created. We can ignore this for now. The new dots in this shape come from a database outputting profiles whose coordinates fall within shape, pressure range, and date range. Query information goes into the database, and profiles come out. Shapes can be altered using the Edit button. The map refreshes itself if we edit or delete a shape. The Clear Map button removes shapes from the map. Now that we know how to select profiles, let's view the data. Remember those pop-up windows? The only difference between these two links is that this one uses data that has been filtered by the pressure range. We are greeted by similar charts encountered in the profile tutorial, and the same table encountered in the platform video. Each profile has its own trace color, along with a row in the table. Do you see the suspicious dot set apart from the others? Clicking on this takes us to the profile page. Argo profiles undergo a quality control process that will label each sample with a marker. ArgoViz only keeps the highest quality control markers. Yet we can see that some suspect measurements make it through from time to time. This wraps up the episode. Next time, I will show you how to use the Python API to do the tasks covered in these tutorials. You will be able to access ArgoViz without the need for pointing and clicking in the browser. An API will automate these tasks for us. Thanks, and good day.